Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US oil. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, though we have started recently uploading on oil, but we are doing pretty well, isn't it? My prior experience on oil trading may be coming handy. Okay. Anyways, jokes apart, let's look at the market. Oil rises for second day on improving signs of US refinery demand. Okay. Oil prices rose for a second day on Thursday on expectations that demand in the US, the world's biggest oil consumer, will improve as refineries try to return to service after outages and as the dollar weakens. US oil maintains resistance at 78.58 and right now market is standing at 78.13. So this is the current market situation. So when we discuss about the fall on US oil because of the wedge pattern here, but still we discuss about the possibility of an immediate trend reversal because in absence of any fundamental factor, a complete trend reversal is not possible. And as expected, we got the big up move, and right now we can see the market has shown good recovery and heading towards the resistance again. Resistance means place of sellers. Usually we always try to look for sell at resistance, isn't it? But the problem here is that the market sentiment is pointing towards upside. And whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, technicals usually fail. Fundamentals always have an upper hand. And this was the main reason I have been telling that this is our no trading zone for us. Okay. So if market breaks 79.30 by next week, then we will have a clear uptrend. Then we will have a proper structural change in the market where market will be forming higher highs. And as a swing trader, you can sit on a buy position. But right now, if you're planning to look for a buy, then this is not the right time because we cannot deny that market is almost at a resistance and things are still not very bullish right now. Okay, and if market hits the resistance, for example, if you see market standing at 78.50 here, this resistance here, so what will we do? If you have the risk ability, if you have the risk appetite, then you can look for a sell around this area. But if you are looking for a safe trading opportunity, then I think you should just wait and watch because of the ongoing situation. Market may go up again, and we can already see the market has tested the resistance many times. And okay, and after testing a level a couple of times, market usually breaks the level. Market do not like common things. So yes, market breaking 78.50 and heading higher. Okay, yes, there is a good chance to it as well. But in case you see that there is no volume in the market, market is going down, in that case you can look for a sell, but do not forget to follow proper risk management. And during the day, if market shows retracement, if you see gold, gold, I'm so obsessed to gold. If you see oil is going down, in that case we can look for buy around 77.20 and above 77.20 we have 77.50. These are the two levels where we can look for buy because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level along with that previous price ejection around this area. And why 77.2025 area? Because of FIBO 50% retracement level plus previous price ejection around this area. And you can also see it, the same level also acted as resistance. So the same resistance will be working as the new support. So if we combine all the factors during the day, if we see market is showing retracement, and then we can look for buy at retracement. If you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. And taking a sell at resistance still risky because already the market has tested the resistance many times. And if we consider the fundamentals as we have discussed, the chances of market heading high is more. So let's wait and watch. Lots of news coming up, so there may be some volatility in the market. And yeah, DXY is going down. Okay, so if DXY starts falling, we may see upside on gold as well. So let's wait and watch.